Good morning, dear students. I am Umesh Nayak. I will take your mathematics. Okay. Today we will start chapter 2, linear equation in one variables. Actually, we have already started, but some students had doubt, so I am going to clear their doubts by my videos. Okay. I have written some topics in blackboard. See, expressions. Expression is numbers, variables, and operators. Equation means it will equal sign. Linear equation in one variables, solving linear equations, application. Okay, I am going to describe one by one. First, expressions. Students, already we have studied in the last year, class 7, algebraic expression. Do you know anything about algebraic expressions? Good, very good. Algebraic expression means numbers, variables, and operators. Numbers means any number we can take, like 5 I have taken. Variables means we can take alphabetical, any alphabetical, A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. Okay, I am taking X. This is a expressions. 5y square. This is also expressions. 3z plus 2. This is also expressions because 3 is a number and z is a variable and plus is an operator and 2 is a 2. Understood? Number. Okay. Now come from equations. Equation, I have written equation means equal sign. See, any expressions like 3z plus 2 equal to 5. This is a equation because we have right here equal sign. This is the sign of equation. Okay. See, in the equal sign, in the left hand side is a 3z plus 2 is a left hand side and this is a right hand side. Okay. Don't be confused. इक्वल साइन देखना है, इक्वल साइन के लेफ्ट साइड वाले को बोलते हैं लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, इधर वाले को राइट हैंड साइड. इज इट क्लियर? ओके, वेरी गुड. नाउ linear equation in one variables. This is also chapter name. Okay. First we have to see their power. Power must be 1. Power must be 1. कोई भी इक्वेशन होता है जिसका पावर 1 होता है वही होता है linear equation in one variable. Like I am taking example 5x plus 3 equal to 7. See, what is the variable here? X. X is a variable, their power is a 1. Therefore, this is a linear equation in one variables. I am also taking one more example. 3x plus 9 equal to 8. Same thing, this is the power is a 1, so that is also linear equation in one variables. I am taking another example. 2x plus 2y equal to 10. See, there are two variables x and y. Therefore, this is not a linear equation in one variables. Okay. Now I am taking one more example. Suppose 5x square plus z equal to 10. Now this is a two variables in x square. Therefore, this is also not one variable. Okay. One more example. Last example. Okay. Suppose x plus 10. What is this? This is also a linear equation in one variable because see the variable x and their power is a 1. I have said already their power should be 1. So therefore this is a linear equation in one variable. Okay. Now come from solving linear equation. Solving linear equation means how to solve. There are many methods. Okay. You can use whatever you want to. Okay. Last year we have studied in class 7 simple equation. Do you know anything? Simple equation like x plus 1 equal to 2 like that question. So what we are doing, plus is there, so minus we have to do both side. If there is a subtract, so addition we have to do both side. Okay, just opposite हम कर रहे थे ना, प्लस है तो माइनस, माइनस है तो प्लस, मल्टीप्लाई है तो डिवाइड, डिवाइड है तो मल्टीप्लाई. Okay, same thing we will do, but that was simple equation. Here practically that is a hard. Okay, let us see and one more application. Application about application we will discuss in the next video. Okay. Now let us start chapter exercise 2.1. Before starting, I am going to clear one thing. I forget to explain. Variable. Okay, what is variables? I have explained, but variable means their value can be changed. Value can be changed. And constants. Constants means their value cannot be changed. Okay. See, how variable can be changed? Means suppose variable I have said this is the alphabetical form, maybe A, B, C, D, X, Y, whatever. Suppose one example I am giving, x plus 2 equal to 3. What is the value of x? 3 minus 2, x equal to 1. Here x value of 1. Suppose x plus 5 equal to 8. X equal to 8 minus 5. X equal to 3. See, here x value of x is 1 and here x value of x is 3. How? Because I said variable, their value can change. That's why it will be changed according to their situation, according to their expression. Okay. Now I am talking about constants. Constants means value cannot be changed. Suppose 3. Can you say that 3 is the 4? No, no. Yes. Because 3 is the 3, 2 is the 2. We cannot say that 2 को 3 नहीं बोल सकते बेटा. Okay. Therefore constant means constant. Their value cannot be changed. It is clear? Okay. Start. Exercise 2.1. I have written one questions. Y plus 3 equal to 10. Okay. We are going to solve step by step. Okay. Now write down first step is the given equation. Given equations. What is the given equation is there? Y plus 3 equal to 10. See, what is the variable here? Y is a variable. So we have to find the value of y. Okay. Now see, with the y, what is that? 3. 3 is a which form? In plus form. So what we have to do? Minus, because opposite of plus is a minus. Okay. So subtract. How much subtract? Plus 3 is there. So we have to subtract 3. Subtract 3 to the both sides. Why I am subtracting both sides? Do you know? Because their balance should be not disturbed. Because अगर दोनों साइड करेंगे तो बैलेंस में कोई डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं होगा. जो भी करना है हमको दोनों साइड करना है. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड करना है तो राइट हैंड साइड भी सेम थिंग्स करना पड़ेगा. ओके. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट. आई एम गोइंग टू राइट डाउन इक्वेशन एज इट इज. Y plus 3 equal to 10. I have leaving some space because subtract 3. What I am doing? Subtract 3 to the both side. मतलब तीन दोनों साइड को क्या करना है? माइनस. Minus 3 and minus 3. Okay. Now plus 3 and minus is cancel. What is left? Y. And here 10 minus 3 means 7. Hence it is the required solutions. Hence it is required solution. Okay. I am going to one more example. Okay. Suppose 14y plus 8 equal to 21. Question number 2. Okay. First write down given equation. What is the given equation? All the steps you have to write. Okay. 14y plus 8 equal to 21. Now see the variable. Y is a variable with the y. 14 is a multiply form and plus 8 is a addition form. So what we have to do? Now first we have to remove terms. We have to reduce the terms. How many terms are there? 2 terms. 14y is a 1 term and 8 is a 1 term. So we have to reduce first 8. Okay, this is a plus form, so we have to do subtract. Okay, in both sides. Subtract 8 to the both side. I am going to write equation as it is. I said subtract 8 to the both sides. Therefore minus 8 both sides. Okay. Plus 8 minus 8 cancel. What is the left? 14y equal to 13. 21 minus 8 is a 13. Okay. Now what is the equation? 14y equal to 13. Now we have y is a variable, so 14 is a multiply form, so we have to do divide. Okay. Divide 14 to the both sides. First I am going to write equation 14. Okay. 14 means the cancel and it will not cancel, so y equal to 13 by 14. Hence it is the required solution. Hence it is the required